Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to share a video link from the RedNote app. So if you've been browsing through these videos on the RedNote app and you want to share the video, then let me show you how to get the link. So for example, here I've got a video which I want to share it with someone. So to share this, I'll go ahead and tap on the share icon here at the bottom right. Then I'll tap on copy link, just right here, tap on it. Now the link has been copied, so I can go ahead and open up my message app. Then I can go ahead and paste that link in the message. So this is the link to the RedNote video on the RedNote app. And there you go, guys. That is how to copy or share a video link from the RedNote app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.